take me by the hand and join my fantasy. This dream has just begun. Come on and sing with me. I know a certain song, a certain melody goes la 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 la. The magic melody goes la 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 la. Come on and sing with me, just la 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 la. Oh, music is the key, just la 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 la. So it will set you free. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
I know it's just a dream, it's not reality and not that what it seems. I'm sure my mind is free like Lucy in the sky. We just go on and fly way up high until the day is gone.
Just got to hold on to what your heart believes. To see you can go wrong. Inside a slam dream, we fly you to the sun, across the Milky Way and sing our favorite song. A rainbow shines the way. La 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 la. The magic melody goes la 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 la. Come on and sing with me, just la 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 la. Oh, music is the key, just la 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 la. So it will set you free. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
We are finally done, guys. Today was cool. We did this house again. I did this house last week, but it's pretty easy. It's not that big. It's a 3-bedroom house. That's the kitchen. That's the bedrooms. So they only pretty much used one room, and it was pretty easy. I did clean both of the restrooms though, and I had to wash all of the towels, so I'm just waiting for the last few towels to dry up so I can place them onto the beds. And Elvira's hiding over there. But I'm just gonna mop up, wait for those towels, and that's it, and I'll be done. So yay! It was pretty clean. Pretty clean. This is the outside of the home. It's a little barbecue area, outside dining, some cool swings to hang out and chill, have your drinks out here. A spa, a jacuzzi, and a little bench. There's a shower outside right there for when you get out of the pool. This is a like a fire pit over here. And then we have the pool. Beautiful weather at nighttime here in Palm Springs, California. I've never really liked the desert, but it is beautiful. Beautiful landscapes out here in the desert. And the weather at night is nice. But in the summer, it gets so hot. Super hot. Like up to 125 degrees. So you cannot really hang out outside in the day or you will burn. Unless you're in the pool or in the shade in the pool. Alright, so that's outside. Hey you guys, so we just finished doing that house again, and that house was pretty cool because they only used one bedroom, so we didn't really have to do much. It was mainly like the kitchen and like washing the pool towels and mopping. It was like the easy stuff, and I did have to clean the restrooms, both of them. There was 2 restrooms, and it wasn't that bad. So my back does hurt. And now we stopped by at
the fanciest restaurant.
The fanciest restaurant, Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell, you guys. I don't care. Elvira's embarrassed because these people are watching us.
I'm not embarrassed. It's just embarrassing. Guys, I got my Baja Blast.
Elvira got her Baja Blast. She got the fries with the nacho cheese. The nacho fries here. She got a chicken quesadilla. Tacos here, and then I got, oh, here's your cheese for your fries, and then I got the number 9, which comes with like the Mexican pizza, so it looks like this, and then it comes with 2 crunchy tacos. But I always eat the pizza, the Mexican pizza first. Basically, like a tostada, like 2 tostadas put together, and there's ground beef inside with cheese and some like sauce.
I'm allergic to that.
No, you're not. I like it. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. It's been a crazy week.
This is my foundation that I use. It's called Problem Solved.
This is so good. So good. I was hungry. Finally ended up switching Elvira's doctor. Have you watched my other video? When was that one? The one where we went to go clean the other house?
Tuesday?
Yeah. Well, Elvira, I was talking about Elvira's hip because it was like bothering her. And the doctor, her old doctor, never really did anything. So I ended up switching her doctor. And I like this doctor a lot more. Like, he actually paid more attention and like was like, okay, so he's gonna do like physical therapy classes for her for a little bit and then see if that helps, and if not, then we'll do like, we'll see what else. But
I got mad today because I had to turn in a paper, and
she was mad at me in the morning when I dropped her off at school because the doctor, I asked for a doctor's note for the school because the school has been on me because of her absences, and she didn't want to go into the office. She's really shy. She gets really like shy with things, or just she feels awkward. And I'm like, go and turn it into the office. Don't go to your class. Go to the office and turn in paper. And she's like, I'm not gonna go into the office. Oh, I'll go to give it to my teacher instead. And I'm like, the note is for the school. Go to the office. Oh, you were mad in the morning. And then she's like, I'm gonna give it to my PE teacher. It was to excuse her for PE for a week, but it was also to excuse her absence, but she didn't want to go and turn it in. What? What is your secret?
I did PE today.
So you didn't turn in the note?
I did turn in the note.
Then why would you do PE if you were excused from it? You want to hurt your hip more or what? Now the school's gonna be like, okay, you're a liar.
No, they're not, because...
Yeah, because you're over here saying that your hip is hurting. So you get excused to not do PE.
But like...
Because you're gonna hurt yourself more, and then you go and do regular activities. So then that just says that it's not, that your hip doesn't really hurt. Because if it was hurting,
Well,
then...
she saw me and she asked me. Like, she saw me walk, and she was like, oh, are you sure you don't want to sit down? Sit down? And I was like, no, because I'm a warrior. I'm a
She's a warrior.
Wait, I can't even talk, guys. Yeah. I'm
Well,
just like that.
what's happened with her? So anyways, and then Maddie, she stayed home pretty much this entire week. She did go in on Wednesday, and then they called me from the health office to come pick her up because she said that her throat was hurting her. So I did pick her up early, and she didn't go back to school. She didn't go back to school on Monday. She's doing better. And the thing is, I don't send them to school when they're sick. Like, you're sending your kid to school sick. Now the other kids are sick, getting sick, and the teacher is possibly going to get sick. Like, that's what happens, and like, they don't feel well. I mean, I know that there's little things here and there that, like, little allergies, or like if it's like a little cold, then it's fine, go to school. But like, when your throat is like hurting and you're like, it's not coming out of your nose and you're coughing and you're next to the kids, like, you're gonna get everybody else sick too. And last year for Madeline in her school, they sent me a letter from the school, and I had to have a meeting with the principal because of the days that she had missed, and I had excuses for all of the days that she had missed. She was sick those days. And I had to sit down with the principal and some other lady. They were being kind of like wanting to joke about it, but kind of in a smart ass way. Like, they were telling me like, oh, we just want to see how we can help you to get your daughter here to school. And I'm like, I don't need help to get my daughter to come to school. Like, if she doesn't come to school, it's because she's been sick. So the principal told me, she's like, yeah, she's like, well, and I told the principal, I was like, do you want me to bring her in when she's sick so she can get other kids sick also? And she said, it's fine. She said, just give her a little bit of medicine and have a little talk with her and send her to school. It was just so ridiculous, and that's what she told me. And she was just the things this lady was saying. I'm like, do you have any kids? Like, what? And then she was like, yeah, just have a little chit chat with her in the morning and put some medicine into her and have her come into school. And I'm like, okay, cool, let's just get all the kids sick there at the school. They're just so like rude sometimes, and even calling and asking for information when I call in there, they're so rude.
Yeah.
Whatever.
When I see them, it's on site.
Anyways, it's just so stressful. Like, you're already worried about your kid being sick and you're stressed out about that, and then on top of that, now you have the school stressing you out because you're not sending your kid to school. It's really like a whole like anxiety panic attack for me. Like, I feel bad because they're not there, but then I'm like, they're sick, how am I gonna send her into school like that? It just sucks. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great Friday.
These little car things are fun. I like filming in the car, even though I get embarrassed, but it's still fun.
It is. Tomorrow is our niece's birthday party, and I'm doing like a balloon garland that they asked me to do. So I'm gonna do a balloon garland, and that's it. I'm just gonna set that up, but I'm gonna do that tonight because I don't want to do that tomorrow and then have to get the kids ready and then go. So I'm gonna do the balloon garland tonight, and then that way I could just get there and put it up. So I'll show you guys that also, how it comes out tomorrow.
We were listening to the Smiths, and my mom didn't get the 500 Days of Summer reference that I said.
Yeah.
And then we were late on the timing. She has good music taste, though, if you guys didn't know.
Thanks.
Yeah.
She likes the music that I like.
Yeah. I think.
You guys have a beautiful weekend. And I will talk to you guys soon. And I will record some of that, the balloon garland, if you're interested to see how it came out. It's like a princess theme, a Disney princess theme, so I'm gonna use like pinkish colors, you know. And I'll show you guys when I do that. But have a beautiful night, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Say bye.
Are you waiting for me to scream or like?
Because you did it in the
Okay.
past one.
Hold on.